channel, dolls. It's D'Andrea Renee, and today we are here to do another makeup look. Now, if you guys are interested, I did already do my eyebrows, and I do have a tutorial. Check that out. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So jumping straight into it, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with my Pond's face moisturizer. Following that, I will be using my Tarte face primer. So I will be using my Urban Decay primer, and then jumping into my James Charles Morphe palette, I will be grabbing this yellow eyeshadow with a fluffy brush. I'm just putting that into my crease as well as a little bit above my crease. And with an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pack that same yellow onto my lid. Now, when you pack this shadow, it does look a little bit different than when you spread it. And then I'm just going to go back with that fluffy brush and kind of blend those two together, even though they are the same color. Just make sure I didn't miss any spots, and highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well. So taking my NYX Jumbo White Pencil, I'm going to line the inner waterline of my eye. And with this look, I will be using my e.l.f. liquid liner to wing this look out. I am feeling a dramatic wing, so that's what we're gonna go with today. Now, I don't know about you girls, but sometimes my wings always differ, so I just like to take my time and see what I'm gonna get that day. But whatever you do, just take your time. You can build that wing up. You don't have to have it all in one smooth motion. And it's perfectly okay to mess up. I'm going to follow with a baby wipe and just clean that line up. So I'm just going to pop on some lashes. They will be linked below. And then I like to take my liquid liner and go back over that lash line of those lashes just to camouflage them a little bit better. So I will be using one of my favorite drugstore foundations. This is the Milani Conceal in Perfect in the color tan, with one of my Morphe brushes, and I'm just blending that into my skin. And I will follow with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now for highlighting, I will be using my NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer in the color Golden. I'm so disappointed, you guys. This is discontinued. It's so thick. It's such good coverage. I'm really sad, but you know, gotta move on, I guess, at some point. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in with my beauty blender. And I'll be setting this with my Revolution baking powder. Now, time to warm up my face. I will be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest. I like to use this as a contour. I sometimes use a liquid contour, but today I'm using powders. And using my Sigma chisel brush to contour my nose. You guys, this makes contouring so much easier for your nose, for your face. It's just a must-have. And you want to make sure you blend that out. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the highlighting of my face. I missed my nose, and I'm going to cut my contour for a little bit of a sharper look. And I want a little bit more warmth, so I'm going in with my fan brush and just darkening up that contour. For blush, I will be using my BH Cosmetics Iris, and I'm using that lighter pink. And for highlight, I will be using my Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. For mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I'll be lining my lips with a chestnut lip pencil. This is just a cheap pencil. I don't even think it has a name. So I'll be lining that. And I'll be filling in my lips with my NYX Slip Tease Lick Liqueur in the color Shady. And I'm going to spray my face with my NYX setting spray, and here's my finished look. If you guys are interested in the hair that I am rocking, make sure you check out the video I uploaded. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in my next one.